The waste which can be broken down into simple compounds when left under the soil by the action of natural agents like air, water, insects and microorganisms within a short period of time is known as biodegradable waste. Waste food, vegetable peels, fruit peels, and waste paper are examples of biodegradable waste. Let's try to understand more. If you throw some food waste in the soil and let it stay there for few days or weeks, you will not find it there anymore. It will ultimately get dissolved and become a part of the soil. That is, it breaks down into the simple substances or simple compounds. The simple compounds, also called manure, released in soil are rich in minerals and nutrients. These are used by plants for their growth and development. Thus, we can say that biodegradable waste can be recycled naturally. What is non-biodegradable waste? The waste which cannot be broken down into simpler form by the natural agents and remains in the soil for hundreds and thousands of years is called non-biodegradable waste. Examples of non-biodegradable waste are plastic materials like polythene bags, metal cans, plastic bottles, glass utensils, and chemicals. Non-biodegradable waste remain in soil and make it unfavorable for plant growth. Such waste pollutes the soil. They may be accidentally consumed by animals and may cause their death due to choking. Thus, non-biodegradable waste is harmful for our environment and living organisms. So, we should always be knowing which kind of material are biodegradable and what kind of waste are non-biodegradable, so that we always prefer to use biomaterial and save our earth from pollution. Let's learn what we can do to save our Mother Earth from the big waste sites. Always remember, cleaning and protecting our earth starts from our home. So, we should reduce the use of non-biodegradable materials so that less non-biodegradable waste is generated. We throw away something every day that is garbage or no longer of use to us. Some of what we throw rots, while some of it doesn't. And because all waste does not break down in the same way, it must be separated into two categories: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. That's why it's important to have two bins. First, the green one. Second, the blue one. The green bins are used for collecting kitchen and other plant or animal waste. It includes waste like plate scrapings, meat and bones, cooked and uncooked food, dried leaves and twigs, peels of fruits and vegetables, waste paper, etc. Blue-colored bins are used for collecting materials that are recyclable. The recyclable materials include cans and tins, bottles and jars, plastics, glass items, metals, etc. So, always remember, use separate dustbins for biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So, we need to segregate waste in order to dispose them of properly. And then, each type of waste should be sent to the appropriate recycling center. The waste from dustbins is collected by municipality workers and disposed of in proper manner. So, the biodegradable stuff goes in the green bin and non-biodegradable stuff goes in the blue bin. You must have seen these bins outside as well. We should use our waste as much as we can to produce something useful from it. Recycle plastic for making new plastic objects. Recycle paper to make new paper from it. Let's all be together to save our Mother Earth. Save Earth, save